awful one. You can help me plant some more seeds today too.
Yes.
I'm gonna plant some more stuff in that garden bed, the potato bed.
Like what?
More carrots and what else did I get? I think I got more radishes.
Will you plant radishes?
Yeah, I already harvested them. I harvested them in the spring.
Another onion.
Onion. Nice work, man.
Man, you're getting a lot of carrots.
Yeah, there's quite a few in here.
I'm getting sick.
There we go.
Whoa, that's big.
That's a good one.
It looks like a penis. I wonder if there's any more cucumbers.
Take a look, babe. Nothing.
Another baby one.
Okay, baby. Another onion, 2 onions you can get, babe.
What?
More onions over here you can get if you want.
Onions.
Okay. There's this one. Super careful. You can do this guy. And this guy.
I'm the onion cutting business. No, I don't know the onion man.
Hello, happy Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday evening here on the farm, about 5 p.m. We had a full day of gardening. Benny and I collected everything that was ready for harvest out of our family garden. And I spent all morning and afternoon freezing greens and beets, green beans, zucchini to save for having throughout the year and hopefully throughout the winter. Oh, and onions. I'm curing onions right now. Our potatoes are done our potatoes are done curing, so I put those in the pantry. I seeded carrots and radishes, daikon radishes, and some winter squashes, and another bed of green beans where I pulled the onions up. So big morning of gardening, but so cool that, you know, we've got all these frozen veggies now to last us, you know, all throughout the year and all winter long. But yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit what I'm doing at the moment. I didn't know if anyone would find it interesting or helpful. So these are our little chickens, just for our own personal use. Andre and Benny go through about a dozen of eggs every 2 days. So these are just our little babies, our little girls. But I just brought them some treats, some stuff from the garden, and there's some bread that had started to turn, so they're enjoying that at the moment. And I just moved them. We move them regularly as well. But anyway, what I'm doing at the moment, we've just got typical nest boxes here. And what I've noticed is that water will collect in them and make them really, really gross. As you can see, you know, they get pretty yucky. So what I'm going to do, and why I don't know why they aren't already designed like this, I'm going to drill holes through the bottoms so that the water goes right through it when it rains. Every time it rains, the water just sits in here. And then I've just taken all the old liners out, but I'm sure you've seen these, the coir liners, coconut fiber liners. You can get them, I get them from the Dollar Tree. And they'll last much longer now. When it wasn't raining so much, they lasted forever, and then I realized they would kind of start like disintegrating once they sat in water and the chickens scratched at them and whatever. But if they're ventilated and it's dry, they last forever. They're $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I get them in bulk, but yeah, I just took out all these old ones because they've been rained on, and they're starting to kind of tear up and get gross. So I'm going to drill holes in the bottom of all the nest boxes here, replace all the nest boxes with new liners for the girls. But it's amazing. I just pulled their eggs out from last night from a dry one, and as you can see, they're completely clean. There's not even a need to wash them. There's not a spot on them. It's amazing. So yeah, they really work well. I love using the coir liners. You know, you can get the roll-out nest boxes, but they're insanely expensive and not anything we can afford to have for, you know, our little chickens. But for $1.25 and fixing up these nest boxes to accommodate them, I think will work just fine. But yeah, I just thought that was cool. If you have chickens at home, those coir liners are my favorite thing I've tried. I've tried everything for the nest boxes, and that is by far my favorite thing that I've used. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. Have a good Sunday. We're about to have some dinner here, and we're having a friend over, have a meal with us, and relax. We've got an insane week this week, so relax all we can, right? But yeah, hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and we'll tune in for more of our week as it unfolds. Thanks, guys.
try to do it?
Try another one. You did it.
I'll try to do it. Oh, I don't think I can.
Yeah. Couple more. Out here with the broilers this afternoon. It's just past 7. I guess it's the evening now. But yeah, these birds will get loaded this evening. So I just brought the trailer out here with the tractor. Sometimes I've hooked the truck up to it, but today it's the tractor because there's some muddy spots here from the rain we had this weekend. So just to make sure we don't get stuck, I have the gooseneck hooked up to the tractor. But yeah, there's 116 crates here. Each one will get loaded with 9 chickens and then restacked on this trailer, strapped down. We'll take it over to the field, the event barn field, hook it up to the truck, and then yeah, Benny and I will leave at about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning and get these guys dropped off to the processor. So I'm out here a little bit early. Everybody else is supposed to show up in about 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna get some things prepped. I'm gonna get the feeders picked up. It's just easier to load in here when the feeders are put to the side. I'm gonna get as many of these crates off as I can, get them prepped and ready, and then as soon as everybody else arrives, we'll start loading. So yeah, this is always the least favorite part of everybody's involvement with the farm. So yeah, it's just very labor intensive and tiring and just not a lot of fun. So but we'll get it knocked out, it'll be fine, we'll get it done. And yeah, and tomorrow Benny and I will be on our way to the processor. So wish us luck. All right, good morning everyone. Benny and I here. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and we are heading off to Dayton to go drop off these chickens. So wish us luck. Hope we get there safely, and we should hopefully be up there by 7 to drop them off and be on our way back. How you feeling, Benny?
Good. I'm just playing my Nintendo Switch.
Good. Well, we're about 10 minutes away from our poultry processor.
11.
11 to be exact. But yeah, the ride's been pretty smooth. We had this truck looked at before we did this trip, and yeah, whatever they did to it has helped immensely. It's pulling a lot better. So that's a plus. The last time I used it to haul, I had to, it was going pretty slow. It was a bit slow going because the truck was having some issues, but thankfully this time it seems to have resolved those issues, and I'm thankful for the guy who worked on it to get us back on the road. So but yeah, 10 minutes away. We'll show you some stuff when we get there and while we offload and all that. So stay tuned. We'll be there in just a little bit.
Good morning. It's Tuesday morning here. Andre and Benny left this morning at 4 a.m. To head over to our chicken processor up in Dayton, Ohio. We're all a bit tired this morning. Andre and his dad, brother-in-law, and a couple friends loaded over 1,000 chickens into their transport crates last night. Got home around, I think he got in around 9:30, 10 o'clock. And then yeah, I got up at like 3 to get Benny ready and head out. I'm sure they'll have some footage of their trip up to Dayton today. And then I was up until, I don't know, like 11:30, making them breakfast to go for them to be able to heat up and go this morning, and snacks for the road and drinks, and make sure they had everything they needed while they were on their long drive. So yeah, we're all a little tired this morning, even Benny, who seems to have an unlimited amount of energy. I wish I had that energy, but so yeah, I just fed the hogs. I'm sure, as you can see in here, I already fed the shrimp this morning, and now I'm gonna go check the cows. Started their water first thing this morning. Go check them and then pack orders for home delivery. So that's my morning. And then I've got to do some cleaning up in the event space kitchen from our last wedding, and yeah, see what else we get into for the rest of the day. Maybe a nap. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.
All right, we have arrived. I'm just now pulling into our processor. Looks like we're the first one here, which is awesome, because then they can offload us first and we can be on our way back. But yeah, here's King's Poultry Farm. It's our processor. Made it here safely, so we're gonna park here and get all the straps off, and then they'll come with the forklift and start unloading.
Yellow.
Okay. All right, we're all set, all unloaded and strapped back. Everything's empty now and all strapped and loaded, so we're gonna make our way back. You ready for the road trip back?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
So I know I carried on a lot last week about all of the forages and plants and things on our farm, and I realized, well, I spent plenty of time on that, but I realized I had missed one of our favorites. Sorry, I'm fighting a spider web. Here on the farm, it's over by our deer stand here. Oh, there's a grapevine. I wonder if it has water in it. Try and look and see, but anywho, focus. This is, yeah, one of our family favorites. It is a shagbark hickory tree. You can see where it gets its name. Its bark obviously is very shaggy. I don't know if you can see that. It kind of peels off all its own. So what you'll want to do and how you use this and harvest it, you want to find, gosh, spider webs everywhere. You want to find pieces that don't have a lot of lichen or obviously any bird droppings or anything on it. But find as many pieces as you can. And also ones that are starting to come off themselves. Like you don't want to damage the tree or hurt the tree in any way. Up here is a good example. Like these are off all their own. So these would be great. There's little lichen on there. Barely none. This is a perfect piece. So you could take this piece, some pieces up there, and harvest these, wash them. You could even soak them in the sink for a bit, and get them, most of the debris off. And then you would roast them in the oven. I think I usually do like 425. Roast them at 425, and I can't tell you how long. I guess it depends on how much I have in there, but just until you start to smell, when your house smells like caramel, like it has a caramel smell. It's sweet, smoky. That's when you know it's ready. I'd say maybe 15-20 minutes if I had to guess. And then you'll take it and take the roasted bark and break it up in smaller pieces, put it in a large pot, cover it with water by 1 inch, and then boil it bring it to a boil, and then put it down to a simmer until it reduces by maybe half the liquid. And then you're left with this beautiful, smoky, sweet, caramel smelling tea. And then you would match, however much liquid you have, match that amount in sugar or honey, or a sweetener of your choice. Or you can just enjoy the tea. But the goal is hickory syrup. I don't know if you've heard of hickory syrup. Some farmer friends of ours sell it on their farms, but it is divine. It is so good on pancakes. It's great in an old fashioned. It's got like bourbon notes and profiles that just like complement so well because it's got some smokiness. It's got that deep caramel, rich flavor. Oh, it's so good. Benny loves it on his pancakes and waffles. But yeah, it's delicious and it's interesting, tree bark syrup, but it's so good. And then you can eat the nuts as well. You need to make sure that they're freshly harvested. Squirrels have helped themselves already to some, but yeah, you can also eat the nuts as long as you catch them freshly fallen. Yeah, another fun little thing on the farm that we can utilize.
All right, Vinny and I made it back safely. We just got back.
Tiring.
Yeah, you're pretty tired, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we spent, 9 hours on the road?
Yeah.
Left at 4 this morning, just got back. It's about 1 o'clock, so we're tired, but we made it. Everything is, We made it safely, no issues.
And then we're gonna
Crates
chill
are
on the
here.
couch.
Everything made it. Truck is in good shape, so
And then chill on the couch.
let's go check with, see what Whitney's up to. Whitney stayed here and took care of the farm this morning, so check in with her and see how she's doing. We're just checking in to see how your morning was.
Am I on video?
Yes, you're on video.
My morning was great. Started stepping in dog poop.
Good start.
Because my eldest dog is 11 today and
Happy birthday.
refusing to go outside in his old age. Yeah.
Because it's his birthday. He doesn't have to do it.
Yeah, we'll video that later. Give him his gift, but no, other than that, it was just fine. It was great. Missed you guys. 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jimmy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 11th birthday.
Birthday, Jim. Wow. Pork chop for my pork chop.
Happy 11th birthday.
You ready for your birthday gift? Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? What's in there? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Can you get it? Get it!
I can get it out.
Get your toy, Jim. Get it! Get it! Get it out of there! Good boy! Here you go, good boy!
All right, good morning. It's Thursday morning. Benny and I just set up a new spot for the cows down here under the walnut trees.
Very tiring.
Yeah, it's really humid this morning, so even being in the shade, you sweat. But yeah, we got it set up, and now we're gonna try to call them over, bring them through here. It's a really nice spot. I'll show you. This is where we also have our little picnic area when we come down, like on the weekend. Sometimes we've come camping in this spot before. I have a grill set up right there. But yeah, it's really pretty. There's big walnut trees here. And then down there's some more shade. There's an old pond right here, but we fenced them out of the pond so they don't get in there and damage it even more. It's pretty damaged already, so eventually we're going to try to rehab that pond, but that'll be a job for another day. But yeah, there's the area they're moving into. The gate is right there. So we're going to walk over there right now and try to call them over. I think they're maybe just on the other side, or maybe a little bit further, but we'll go call them and bring them over, and we'll move them through. So this area is recovered quite nicely. There's lots of clover on the other side of that dip right there. There's hickory right here. There's more clovers here, so everything's recovered nicely. All right, let's go call them over. Come on, cows! Come on, cows! Come! This is the field where we bale grazed in the winter time, and this is actually the first time they've been in this field since, gosh, March, I think. So we gave it plenty of rest, and so we just grazed them in here for like 2 days. No, three days, and then today we're moving out of here. So they've chewed it down pretty good and laid down some of the weeds and stuff, so we'll let this rest, Won't come back here until another at least month and a half, 2 months. But I'd venture to say that the cows are down here by the water. It's my best guess. Come on, guys, come. Let's go. Come on, cows. Come. There they are. Come on, cows. Come. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on, cows. Come. Yep, time to move. Come on. Come on, guys. Come. Come on, cows. Come. Come. Come on, cows. Let's go. Come. They're having a little bit of trouble moving this morning. I think they want to stay in the shade, but there's plenty of shade down there for them. Come on, cows. Come.